is Prem. Welcome to Post Market Report dated 22nd May 2024. First, let us look into the US market. US market yesterday, all three indices ended up slightly higher. S&P 500 and Nasdaq were trading at all-time high now. Nasdaq trading at 16,832. So Nasdaq and S&P 500 both trading at all-time high. Dow traded at all-time high few days before, crossed the 70,000 mark. Then there was a profit booking. Now it's slightly trading lower than the 40,000 mark actually. Stock wise, Tesla up by around 6%. That's mainly because there was a news about Tesla EV semi-truck project and its progress. Because of this news, Tesla stock up by around 6% yesterday. And FOMC meeting minutes, so it's a detailed report about the meeting that happened 3 weeks before, so it might have some clues about the rate cut planned by the federal government. So that will be published today evening, so the market will react for that today. And Wednesday after the market hours, Nvidia results will be published, so the US market will react for that on Thursday actually. So these are all the updates from the US market. Asian market, Nikkei traded 335 points lower today. That's mainly because the trade data were not as expected. So the exports were also less and the imports were also less, which means right now I believe that the consumption is less, because of which only the trade deficit is there actually. So because of which Nikkei down by around 335 points. So this is update from the Asian market. Coming back to the Indian market, first let us see how Nifty and Bank Nifty traded today. Nifty yesterday closed at 22,230. So today when Nifty opened, so it's a kind of consolidation today. So Nifty took a range of 20 points for the first half, traded between 22,530 to 22,550 or 60. But second half another 50 points added and took that range and traded. So finally Nifty ended at 22,600. So it's a kind of consolidation with gradually moving higher is what I could say in terms of Nifty trading today. So mostly Reliance and FMCG stocks supported Nifty's upward move today, because Bank Nifty did not support Nifty today. Let us see how Bank Nifty traded today. So Bank Nifty, if you look at Bank Nifty, when it kick-started, it's down by around 150 points. Then it gradually moved down. Most of the times Bank Nifty traded between the range of 250 to 350 points down today throughout first half as well as the second half of the day. But around 2:50 p.m. there was an injection, I believe. Suddenly the Bank Nifty was down by around 200 points. Overall at that point Bank Nifty was down by around 500 points around 2:54 p.m. Then from there it started recovering. Maybe it's a short covering rally, I believe. So 500 points down, then again within 5-10 minutes another 240 points up actually. So finally Bank Nifty ended 266 points lower today. So that's how Bank Nifty traded today. It's highly volatile day for Bank Nifty. That's mainly because we can understand it's because it's a weekly expiry that has led to this high volatility. But overall Bank Nifty down by 266 points, but Nifty up by around 68 points today. In spite of Bank Nifty pulling down Nifty traded higher by 68 points today. That's mainly because Reliance, ITC, Cipla, Infosys, HUL, Tata Consumer and Coal India, all these stocks pulled Nifty higher. So because of which only Nifty traded positive today. Nifty Reality also ended up higher along with the Nifty FMCG stocks. So FMCG we need to talk it separately actually. So FMCG contributed highly for Nifty as well as the broader market. So in FMCG, Britannia, ITC, HUL, Tata Consumer, all these stocks helped Nifty to move higher. So apart from that, P&G, Godrej Consumer, Dabur, Marico all traded higher today. So infrastructure stocks also traded higher today because there are many orders for the infrastructure stocks from the Maharashtra state governments. So PNC Infra up by around 13%, HG Infra up by around 9%, IRB Infra and KNR Construction up by around 5%. So most of the infrastructure stocks traded higher today. In Nifty Reality, Macrotech Developers, Sobar, Oberoi Reality and Phoenix Mills all traded higher today. So the mainly only the stocks that pull the market are the banking and financials and metals, Metals we can understand, that's because it's a long rally and there was a profit booking today. That's why metal stocks were down. We have seen many days the metal stocks were rallying more than 5% and 10%. So today it's a profit booking. And reinsurance companies, New India Assurance up by around 6%, and General Insurance Corporation of India up by around 10%. Suzlon up by around 4% today. That's mainly because there is a order win, actually order win of around 400 plus megawatt for Suzlon. Because of this news, Suzlon stock up by around 4%, BEML up by around 9%. Another stock we discussed many times, today also once again we are updating, Hindustan Aeronautics, again up by around 3%, and it's trading at all-time high once again, so it's beating its own records actually. So Granules India, the promoter sold 75 lakhs worth of shares actually to release the existing pledge, so because of which the stocks traded higher by around 4%. And result impact, DB Corp up by around 6%, Teamlease up by around 3%, BHCL the numbers were not good, because of which the stock down by around 5% today. And stock recommendation that I noted down today are Nuvama retains reduce for VRL Logistics, target price 543, currently trading at around 599. Nuvama retains buy for BHCL, target price 400, currently trading at 304. It's down by around 4% today, because the order win seems to be, management commentary and order win seems to be good actually. So because of which there is a chances that this stock might go up and trade around 400. That's what I believe. CLSA cuts to reduce Oil India, target price 690. Nuvama again maintains reduce to ONGC, target price 210, currently trading at 279. So these are all the 4 recommendations I noted down, which I am sharing it here. So these are all the updates from the Indian market today. So overall Nifty touched the 22,600 mark today. So yesterday we discussed about the Nifty range, and we said it's likely to trade between 22,200 to 22,750 is what yesterday we discussed. So still we maintain the same range. Downside the same limited, I think. Downside, the way forward it is marching ahead only. Downside seems to be limited actually, so I don't think it will go to 22,200. Maybe we can look at 22,400 to 22,750 is what I believe. Today Nifty Bank, because of the weekly expiry, it traded lower. It went up to 500 points down and finally closed at 266 point lower. Tomorrow Nifty Bank may catch this 266 points actually, whatever it lost today. And Nifty IT traded higher today. So however, not much movement with big stocks like TCS, but Infosys up by around 1.4%. So tomorrow if Nifty IT as well as Bank Nifty catches up, then we can very well cross the 22,700 mark. That is what I believe. So still let's retain the range for 22,000 this week. 22,400 to 22,750 is what I believe. So let us see what happens. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.